What's going on, guys? Hey, so 2 weeks ago I put out a video and I told you guys that I was going to be announcing something that I've been working on all winter. If you follow my channel, you probably realize I didn't put out very many videos this winter. It's because I was busy developing this. So today's the day I get to announce it. I launched a company called Service Industry Marketer, and it's a one-stop marketing shop for people who are in the service industry. That's all we service. And the services that we offer is print marketing. So anything you can think of print, postcards, business cards, yard signs, door hangers, anything you can think of that comes to print, we probably do it. We also do AdWords, Facebook ads, we build websites, and we do phone sales. So we're a little bit different than most all these other guys out there doing it. Not only because we offer everything, but I've developed a team around me and I have specific people doing specific things. So for instance, I have a guy here that all he does is our print design. I have another guy here that in the past built his entire company off AdWords and Facebook ads, and he builds out all of our customers' AdWords and Facebook ad campaigns. We also have phone sales here where you guys hear me talk about calling our customer base multiple times a year. We do that for companies who can't either afford to do it themselves, maybe they don't have the time or the resources. We call on their customer bases for them and schedule them jobs that are just sitting in their customer base. So I'm really excited about this for a couple reasons. One, because it's what I'm best at. You guys know on my channel, I don't talk much about equipment. Really all I talk about is business and marketing. And it's my passion, and we've helped a lot of people so far kind of behind the scenes, some of my coaching clients, along with some other companies I have connections with. But now I'm excited to announce it and offer it to everybody on here. So you can go down in the description, you'll see our website. It's serviceindustrymarketer.com. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email. I'll also put that below here. It's info@serviceindustrymarketer.com. Go ahead and email me any questions. Our website, you can see most of our pricing on there, except our print. It's impossible really to put all of our print pricing on there because we offer so many types of different print materials. But if you have any questions on print pricing, shoot me an email. I'll get you a price ASAP. And we look forward to working with some of you guys and helping you build and grow your business. So we'll talk to you guys soon. I hope you guys are getting ready for spring. It's almost here, and that's why I'm launching this video now, because right now is crucial. They're getting all your marketing materials ready as it's starting to warm up here in Michigan. We probably are going to be launching probably 2 to 3 weeks out right now. And so all of our materials are literally getting shipped to us as we speak. That way to be sitting here waiting, ready to go. You guys should be doing the exact same thing. That way you're not hurrying last minute trying to get all your print material, or if you're trying to get your website up and running, your AdWords campaigns, whatever it is, guys. Start now. Even if it's not through us, I'd be more than happy to answer any questions to help you get going. And one more thing, the cool thing about our company is 95% of the things that we're doing here, we're taking what worked in my service company and implementing those things into other people's businesses. So we're not here just developing postcards for Everydoor Direct Mail or throwing together AdWords campaigns. We're literally using terminology and strategies that we use inside my service company and implementing those into other people's service companies. And you're gonna definitely get results because it's been proven and tried and true. So I love you guys as always. Have any questions, let me know. We'll talk to you soon. See ya.